Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install a PC game faster. There is no problem when you install it. So first thing to do, make sure you install the PC game on your SSD. So you can try to install SSD on your system. Here I'm using 2 SSD because SSD more faster, more speed is very important nowadays. So you can try to install on in SSD. And next we're going to directly into the setup. Here I'm installed Dragon Inquisition. So to make it faster, you can click on properties. Here you can try to click compatibility tab and make sure run this program is compatibility mode, or you can try to run this program as administrator. And of course go back to the system. Make sure if you have not enough or not sufficient memory to handle, you can try to increase your Windows page file or virtual memory. You can hold Windows key and R key, then you can try to run sysdm.cpl. click OK. Now you can click advanced, click performance settings. Again you can click advanced and click on virtual memory and tick the box. Here you can try to use this custom size, initial size and maximum size based on your RAM of your laptop or RAM of your PC. Please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.